Pancha Bihar.
Pancha Bihar.
Yeah.
Okay.
Inside it, Pancha Buddha is located. Pancha Buddha means that Buddha.
It's okay to go with the shoe?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, let's go. The gates are very small. I have my gate pass, no problem.
Sri Lakshmi.
Sri Lakshmi. Okay. The name?
Nah, it's the Chatu Brahma Bihar. Yes.
Okay.
His name is Chatu Brahma.
The gates are very, very small, guys.
It's the organic past life gates that they want that king doesn't enter here, because king doesn't
Ben.
bow down here.
Yeah.
So it's they proud that they didn't bow down.
King
So-
should not, but people can come in, but
Yeah.
king should not bend here. But where king will go then?
Then
If king want to pray, he has a special place?
yeah, it's the house of a people.
Okay.
So in past the king are very cruel.